Hey, you got it, girl, you got it, yeah. Pretty little thing you got.
What's up YouTube, it's Mícah Leia and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm gonna be doing like how to style your box braids. So I'm gonna be doing like a whole bunch of different styles, and like my box braids, I had them in for a while, but you know, with styles and the way you like wear it, your braids can always look like they're living, you know, they're living and giving. Okay, I don't know what my hair is doing right now, like my edge is looking a little crusty, but that's okay. You wanna know why? Because you could fix that. So before we get started, make sure you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Like, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? But yeah, so let's get into the video. Okay, so for the first style, I'm gonna do this style, because why not? This is a whole style by itself, you know, just slick back, but boom. All right, but all jokes aside, you gotta get your style factor, your edge booster, and your handy dandy edge brush. Mine's a little raggedy right now, but we gonna work with it, okay? I'm gonna just revive my edges real quick because my edges looking a little crusty. And my edges don't look that bad, right? Oh, look, that's crusty. You know what I do? Just add water. That's the only thing about box braids. Like, when you have it in for a long time, they be getting mad crusty. Like, who told you to get crusty? Before we even start any styles, make sure that your edges are done, because the edges is like the foundation for every single style. Your edges is what says, like, it's what sets the tone. Alright, so now that your edges is done, sorry, this here, you could start your first style. So for the first style, I'm gonna be doing like a side part, you know, a little braid behind the ear, show off your little earrings or whatever, and the hair on the side. Now if you think this is boring, you could wear you could wear this 3 different ways. Actually, I'm gonna get into that. So you see I have these little hair jewelry things. I'm not gonna add too much because you don't really need that much. You guys get the gist. I should have added more over here. Oh well. You could wear this style like all to the side. You could put like half of your hair on this side, half of your hair on this side. You could put some to the back. But there's a lot of different ways to, you know, like wear this style. So that's the first style. Now, the second look I'm gonna be doing is a slick back. So for this style, you can pretty much dictate how like low you want the swoop. If you want it to be like really low, you just loosen the braids up a little bit so it can be even lower. This is giving very much like swoop, like side swoop, side part. You know, you can wear it like this, you know, with the ponytail to one side, the ponytail to another side. Also, you can also wrap this up into a low bun if you're going for more of a classy, sophisticated look. So that could be another look. This could also be like a slick back bun if you really want to have an updo. Okay, now for the third look, you're gonna have to take this out again. And honestly, if you want to leave these little hair jewelry things in your hair, you could just leave them in. Another style that I love is half up, half down with 2 little braids in the front. Basically, you're gonna take all of these braids. Pretty much half up, half down with 2 braids in the front. And if you want, you can take like a braid and wrap it around the ponytail to make it seem more natural. And honestly, this works when you have like a color scrunchie and you don't really want to like show your scrunchie. This is a cute little go-to style, honestly. I've done like 2 videos with this style and it's really convenient. It's cute, simple, and fast, so like, you know, why not do this style? And honestly, every time my edges get crusty in this video, best believe I'm just gonna add water to it. I'm doing this on really old box braids. It's been almost a month, so hopefully when you're styling your box braids, they're nice and fresh. They don't gotta know. See, I'm not like these fake YouTubers that be like, oh, everything is perfect. No, we all know that your box braids get crusty. Now, another style, which you can kindly do it from this style, is a half up, half down bun. I've actually haven't worn my hair like this, but I will now. And boom, this is another style. I feel like adding these 2 braids in the front makes it more cute, you know, instead of just plain basic half up, half down. A lot of people don't really do this, but you know, I like the 2 braids in the front. If you don't like the 2 braids in the front, it'll look something like this. I like the 2 braids in the front, so I'm gonna keep them there. Next style, honestly, I love this style, but it really hurts my head after wearing it for a long time. This style isn't like a whole day type of style. This style is really like if you're going somewhere real quick. It's still a cute style, you know, which is a bun, a high bun. Now in order to do this style, what I basically do is I flip all my hair forward, so like I'll go like that. Honestly, it's kind of hard to do this style only because you have to grab all of the hair into your hand. So for me, I don't really like to have like loose like ponytails, so what I do is I take literally every single box braid and I pull it to make sure that it's tight. This honestly doesn't take a long time if you don't have that many box braids. I don't know, I just cannot have like loose ponytails or anything. I just need to make sure everything is tight, so I go through every single box braid. Now I don't pull them to the point where it's like I'm pulling my hair and it hurts, but I do pull them like tight enough so it's like, oh, it looks neat. Now this is a style in itself, a high ponytail. You guys are gonna notice that every style that I do that's like high updo, these 2 braids are gonna stay right here. Yeah, this is another style, but I just want to make sure that it, you know. Also, what I do with this style, the same way I did it with the bun, no, the half up, half down, I take, for this one I actually take like 2. I take 2 box braids and I wrap it around the ponytail. And that's pretty much this high ponytail style. Okay, well, now that we're already in this style, do a bun with this style, so that's what we're gonna do. But for my buns, what I do is I like put everything on one side and then I start to like twist. I need everything to be tight, so this might take me a few times because I'm a perfectionist. To me, everything has to be perfect. So that's pretty much it for this bun look, which is really, it's easy, but it's not, because you honestly have to figure out like how to, you know, twist it, how to flip, whatever. Okay, so after this style, you're gonna need 2 of these. Well, you don't really need 2, you just need 2 scrunchies, but I like to use 2 of these little like headband things because box braids are really thick and a scrunchie don't be doing it all the time, like, so I'm just gonna use 2 of these. I'm gonna do a half up, half down with 2 buns. You gotta make sure that the buns are even. They're not really that even right now, but at this point, it's not that bad. Just take out the back. and boom, you have 2 buns, half up, half down. Honestly, at this point, I lost count of how many styles I'm doing. Okay, so for this last style, it's very simple, very basic. Pretty much everybody has this in their how to style their box braids video. It's similar to the style that I did in the beginning, which is basically a side part. Clearly I love side parts. And you pretty much take these, twist it. Basically, you're like putting it behind. And that's the style right there. So that pretty much wraps up the end of this video. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. But yeah, I don't even know how many styles that I did, but it's more than 5. That's all I know. It's more than 5 ways to know how to style your box braids. If this video helps you, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Comment down any other ways you style your box braids. You know, we might have something similar. I said something similar. Whoa. We might have some in common, we might not. Yeah, this is just things that I came up with the top of my head. Like, there's like 3 of these styles that I always do, or maybe 4. But yeah, these are just like some simple ways to, you know, style your box braids. And yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.